Hey there, tool enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools that take your projects to a whole new level. If you're ready to discover some mind-blowing gadgets that will revolutionize the way you work, then stick around because we've got 15 amazing tools that are truly on another level. Number 1. The CCV Compressed Air Duster is a powerful, portable tool perfect for keeping your gadgets and spaces dust-free. With a motor that reaches 150,000 RPM and a wind force of 180 G, it easily clears debris from keyboards, PCs, and camera lenses. Its rechargeable design, featuring a USB Type-C cable, offers up to 100 minutes of use on a single charge, making it an eco-friendly alternative to canned air. Weighing just 315 grams, it's lightweight and versatile, ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Whether you're drying pet hair or removing water droplets from windows, this duster does it all. Made from durable composite materials, it includes an anti-slip handle for comfortable use. The CCV Compressed Air Duster transforms cleaning from a chore into an easy, efficient process. Number 2. The Road Hero 18-inch 4-pack collapsible traffic safety cones are a practical solution for managing traffic and ensuring safety in various settings. These bright orange cones are designed to be highly visible, with 360-degree reflective collars that make them easily seen from a distance, day or night. When not in use, the cones can be collapsed to just 0.9 inches in height, making them incredibly easy to store. They come with a convenient storage bag, allowing you to stack and carry them wherever needed. Each cone features a stable base measuring 9.6 inch by 9.6 inch and weighs 0.7 pounds, ensuring they stay securely in place. Standing 18 inches tall when expanded, with 2 reflective collars, they are perfect for use in parking lots, driving training, construction sites, or any area requiring clear warnings. These cones offer a reliable and portable safety solution for various applications. Number 3. JB Weld 8237 Plastic Weld Plastic Repair Epoxy Putty is a versatile, hand-mixable 2-part epoxy putty designed for repairing and rebuilding various plastic surfaces. Ideal for DIY projects, this epoxy works on ABS, PVC, CPVC pipes, auto bumpers, and more. Certified by the NSF, it's safe for use with potable water, making it perfect for plumbing repairs. Once kneaded together, plastic weld sets in just 25 minutes and cures fully in 3 hours, turning off white. It boasts a lap shear strength of 600 psi and can endure continuous temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit 121 degrees Celsius, withstanding short bursts up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 148 degrees Celsius. Remarkably durable, plastic weld doesn't shrink and can be molded, shaped, sanded, drilled, and cut after curing. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including plumbing, automotive, marine repairs, and more, JB Weld Plastic Weld is a reliable and robust solution for plastic repairs. Number 4. The Kof Fire Extinguisher for Home is a reliable and essential safety tool designed to handle common household fires. This dry chemical extinguisher is versatile, capable of fighting fires involving trash, wood, paper, Class A, flammable liquids and gases, Class B, and electrical equipment, Class C. Crafted with a tough aluminum valve assembly and a lightweight aluminum cylinder, this extinguisher is built to last. It features a durable, all-metal construction with a rust and impact-resistant painted steel handle, ensuring it remains in top condition even in challenging environments. The easy-to-read pressure gauge lets you know when the extinguisher is charged and ready for use, while the clear instruction label on the front ensures quick and effective operation. For convenient storage, it comes with a UL-approved strap bracket, allowing for safe and easy mounting. Backed by a 6-year limited manufacturer's warranty, this extinguisher provides peace of mind and dependable protection. Number 5. The Milescraft 3405 Grabber Plus is a versatile push block designed to enhance safety and precision when working with table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Its spring-loaded, retractable locking heels provide increased control and stability, helping to prevent tear-out during cuts. The diamond grip rubber bottom, made from non-marring, non-slip TP material, ensures your workpiece stays securely in place, offering maximum control throughout the cutting process. The push block features an ergonomic, tilted comfort grip handle, which gives you superior control and grip while keeping your hands safely away from the cutting tool. This design also allows for increased directional force against the fence, improving cutting accuracy. Built for maximum durability, the Milescraft 3405 Grabber Plus is an essential tool for safely controlling your workpiece in various woodworking applications. Number 6. The Seatstar Tray reusable set includes 2 growing trays designed to make seed planting and propagation easy and efficient. Each tray features 9 flexible pop-out cells, measuring 2.2 inches by 2.2 inches by 2 inch, ideal for a variety of seeds. Crafted from thickened plastic and soft TP material, these trays are durable, tear-resistant, and less prone to shattering. They can be easily cleaned and reused after transplanting or stored for future use. Each cell is equipped with drainage holes that enhance soil aeration and prevent root rot by ensuring proper oxygen flow to the roots. The soft TP bottoms of the cells allow for gentle removal of seedlings, preserving root health and making transplanting hassle-free. The trays are versatile and suitable for starting a range of seeds, including vegetables, fruits, and flowers, making them perfect for indoor gardening, educational purposes, and plant propagation. Number 7. The 7-in-1 Insulated Screwdriver Set is a versatile and essential toolkit for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, these screwdrivers are known for their exceptional hardness, strength, and durability. Each screwdriver and its handle are insulated, providing safety and protection when working with electrical components. The ergonomic design of the handle ensures maximum grip and comfort during prolonged use, preventing slippage and enhancing control. The set includes 14 different screwdriver bits, all magnetized to securely hold screws and make picking up dropped screws a breeze. Each screwdriver rod is clearly marked with its corresponding model, making it easy to identify and install. Packaged in a compact box, the set is easy to carry and store, keeping all parts organized and preventing loss. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including electrical work, computer repairs, and assembling various equipment, this toolkit offers both functionality and convenience. Number 8. The Billstore Pottery Ribs and Trimming Tools Set is a must-have for pottery enthusiasts seeking versatility and precision. This 5-pack includes 2 foot shaper tools and 4 clay texture ribs, each offering distinct patterns to enhance your creative designs. The multi-texture ribs provide 4 unique patterns per rib, allowing for a broad range of design possibilities. The foot shaper tools make it easy to craft perfect pottery feet, ensuring stability and elegance in your pieces. Designed for ease of use, these tools are perfect for both beginners and experienced ceramic artists. Their user-friendly design simplifies the process, letting you focus on your artistry without hassle. These multifunctional tools streamline trimming, smoothing, shaping, and adding finishing touches to your clay creations. By minimizing technical difficulties, they help you spend more time on creativity and less on technicalities. Crafted from solid beech wood, these durable tools are built to last and enhance your pottery experience. Number 9. The Mic Smart Garage Door Video Keypad with Wide-Angle Camera offers enhanced control and security for your garage access. This advanced system works with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers manufactured after 1993. The wide-angle surveillance camera provides a comprehensive view of your garage area, covering everything from the driveway to the doorway, ensuring you have a clear view of the surroundings. Featuring advanced motion detection, this system alerts you to any unusual activity, giving you peace of mind. Real-time notifications sent via the Mic app keep you informed about any changes or security breaches. Two-way audio allows you to engage in live conversations and listen to ambient sounds around your garage, adding an extra layer of security. With customizable PIN codes, you can create and share personalized access codes, setting time-specific passes for family, guests, or service providers. Remote viewing is available through the Mic app, where you can also enjoy a free trial for recorded events. Number 10. The Works WG058 in 1 Aero Cart is a versatile garden cart designed to make heavy lifting and transport easy. Its turbo lift design allows you to move up to 200 pounds, with the effort of just 17 pounds, making heavy loads feel significantly lighter. The Aero Cart can handle up to 300 pounds, simplifying heavy-duty yard projects and turning challenging tasks into manageable solo endeavors. This 8-in-1 tool adapts effortlessly to various tasks, functioning as a wheelbarrow, handcart, dolly, and more, with multiple accessory options included. Its innovative 2-wheel design provides optimal balance and stability, ensuring smooth and safe maneuverability. Built with a premium all-metal structure, the Aero Cart is both rugged and corrosion-proof, built to withstand harsh conditions. With flat-free tires, you'll experience a consistently smooth operation without the hassle of maintenance. Whether for yard work or heavy lifting, the Aero Cart is a reliable, multifunctional tool for any job. Number 11. The Adjustable Weights Dumbbell Set offers a versatile workout solution with its 4-in-1 functionality. This set includes a pair of dumbbells that can be transformed into an adjustable kettlebell, barbell, or push-up stand, allowing you to perform a range of exercises like bench presses, squats, and curls to target your entire body. Featuring an upgraded clamp design, the patented barbell clamps enable quick and easy adjustments, while the thickened threads ensure secure attachment of weights. The octagonal dumbbell plates prevent rolling, enhancing safety and space efficiency. The set is made with high-quality materials that protect your floor and prevent leakage, and the barbell connecting rod is covered in high-density foam for added comfort and sweat absorption. Non-slip rubber-coated handles ensure a firm grip, while the ergonomic design of the connecting rod reduces fatigue and enhances your workout experience. Number 12. The Duststopper Low-Profile Dust Separator is an essential accessory for your shop wet and dry vacuum. It efficiently collects over 99.9% of typical shop dust before it reaches your vacuum, saving you money on filter replacements and prolonging the life of your vacuum. Designed to fit perfectly with most shop vacuums and tools, it's compatible with standard 2.5-inch hoses and can be easily connected with adapters for different port sizes. This versatile dust separator isn't just for dry debris. It also effectively separates liquids, making it perfect for flood remediation and other household tasks. Whether you're dealing with wood chips, dirt, sand, or even cat litter, the Duststopper handles it all with ease. Setup is quick and simple, with high-quality components like the included EPDM gasket and 2 high-flow 90-degree sweep elbows designed for maximum dust throughput. Emptying the collection bucket is hassle-free with pre-installed latches that allow for easy access and disposal. Number 13. The Yuka 1500 Robot Lawn Mower is a high-tech solution for lawns up to 0.37 acres, handling slopes of up to 45%. Equipped with 3D vision positioning and RTK fusion mapping, it ensures precise navigation even in obstacle-rich environments. Yuka's AI-driven system recognizes over 100 objects, avoiding obstacles with its advanced camera and bumpers. It features a unique self-emptying function for cleaning up leaves and small debris with a sweeper kit. Manage up to 10 mowing zones via the ManMotion app, setting different schedules, cutting modes, and heights. The mower's dual cutting disc design provides efficient and uniform trimming, with adjustable cutting heights between 1.2 and 4.0 inches. It offers up to 500 square meters of mowing per charge, making it ideal for maintaining a pristine lawn with minimal effort. Number 14. The Metaltech Versatile Portable Scaffolding Platform is a robust and adaptable tool perfect for DIY projects, home renovations, and maintenance tasks. With a 500-pound load capacity, it's built to handle heavy-duty work. The platform features an adjustable multi-level working area, allowing customization for ergonomic support. It includes 4-inch double-lock non-marking caster wheels for easy mobility, and it can double as a cart for transporting equipment to job sites. Designed for convenience, this scaffolding folds flat for compact storage and easy transportation. No tools are required for installation, ensuring a quick and hassle-free setup. The platform is made from durable 14-gauge anti-slip steel with a powder-coated finish, offering safety and long-lasting durability. Measuring 22.5 by 41 by 45.75 inches and providing a 9-foot reach, this portable scaffolding is ideal for a variety of indoor and outdoor applications. Number 15. The ReuZip Heavy-Duty Reusable Dust Barrier Zipper Starter Kit offers a cost-effective and reliable solution for creating instant zipper doors in plastic sheeting barriers. Its patented hook and loop system allows for easy installation. Simply attach the self-adhesive mounting strip to your barrier, connect the 7-gauge zipper, and cut through the plastic using the built-in guide. Designed for critical environments like mold abatement and healthcare construction, it addresses common issues like jamming and breakage found in disposable zippers. The reusable design saves time and money by allowing you to replace the zipper without redoing the entire barrier. Additionally, the lockable feature enhances safety and security, reducing the risk of tampering. The ReuZip zipper is also interchangeable with the ReuZip magnetic entry strip, offering further versatility for your containment needs.